Marcus, I need to know about Google My Business.
Well, that's exactly what we're here to talk about today. Hey, this is Marcus with Animink, website professionals. You've probably seen Google My Business profiles when you're searching on Google. And if you have a business, you absolutely must take advantage of this free service that Google offers. So let's jump in. Google My Business, or GMB, is like your business's best friend provided by Google. It's the ultimate guide to boosting your online presence. With GMB, you get to create and manage your business profile, which in simple terms is like your business's online identity. This profile shows up on Google Maps and local search results.
Hey, a little tequila, sunshine, and tacos never hurt anybody. But I'll be in trouble without a Google My Business profile for my new car wash.
Matthew, hey, I got you. Let's walk through the process of setting up your Google My Business profile. I'll even give you some tips along the way.
That's what she said.
First thing, let's go to business.google.com. Once you're here, you're going to jump over to Sign In. Now, this is where you drop in your business name. Be sure to include what you do in the title of your business. Google indexes all of this content, and it also helps customers know exactly what you do. Google only allows one business per actual physical address, so keep that in mind when you drop your address in. Be sure and choose your business type. So for this business, I'm going to go with service business. Your business category is super important. You want to make sure that you've put in exactly where your business fits in terms of industry. Be sure to add all the areas where you operate. You can add as many areas as you'd like. It's better to have more than less. It's a great idea to fill this out in full. Add your phone number and website. If you don't have a website, well, I can help you out with that. Next up, click Continue. Now you're going to want to enter your actual business address here. Google only allows one business per actual physical address, so keep that in mind when you drop your address in.
All right. What's next?
Google has different methods of verification, and they have made a lot of changes lately with this process. A lot of folks have to shoot a business video and submit it here for verification. If you have a home-based business, no problem. Just shoot an honest video explaining your business, show your mailbox number in the video, maybe a piece of mail with the actual address, and then show anything else proving you run your real business there. Maybe your car in the driveway is wrapped with the logo of the business, or you can walk into your home to your studio where you make music or work. While you're recording, mention some facts about your business, how long it's been open, what you do, who you serve in the area. Just make sure that it's one continuous video. The goal here really is just to justify that your business is real. Now, after a few days, check back in and you should be verified.
I see a lot of lawbreakers up in this house tonight. Marcus, are we all set?
Not quite, Matt. If you stop here, you're only halfway through the process, and you do not want to leave your brand new business profile hanging. After you're verified, go back to business.google.com and you'll be able to add additional information to your business's profile. I'll show you an example with Animink. So what you're seeing here is the actual business information, and you can edit this information at any time. Just click on the pencil and you can simply change and save. So you can see our business name, our business category, our description. Note that we're incorporating some of our SEO keywords here. We've got our opening date, contact information, website, social media profiles. Here's our location and area with service areas. Now here's an important one, business hours. Make sure you've got these in place and that you keep them up to date. There's plenty of other things you can add here. Feel free to go through it on your own once you're verified. Now, here's a look at Animink's actual profile on Google. You can see all of the information from the admin reflected right here in the profile. Again, be sure to keep your hours of operation updated.
Marcus, how do I know if anybody gives a flying fart about my car wash?
Great question, Mr. McConaughey. Let's talk about one of the most important areas within your GMB profile. You probably already know what I'm talking about. It's the all-important Google reviews.
Google reviews.
Your reviews have a massive impact on how customers interact with your business. Not only is it important to get good reviews, it's important to continually ask your client base to give you new reviews so that you're always adding more positive reviews to your GMB profile. There's nothing wrong with asking clients to give your business a 5-star Google review. The easiest way to do it, click on your Google reviews and you'll see Get More Reviews right here in the corner. This gives you a direct link that you can copy and send to your clients, asking them for that all-important 5-star Google review.
Animink Super Tip!
If you have a retail store that your customers visit, copy the review link, hop over to qrcode-monkey.com, paste in your review URL, and click Create QR Code. Now you've got a handy-dandy QR code that you can print, hand out, place at your point of sale, drop onto your invoices, or put just about anywhere so that your customers can give you those awesome reviews. Inevitably, you'll get a negative review. Look at this guy that left a 1-star review for Animink.
Boo! Boo!
Now, if it was a real client, I would definitely try to make things right and get him to change the review. But since this is basically a spam review, all I can do is work on getting more positive reviews to push this negative review down and get my average score up in the process. Tom Jones. Tom Jones, I actually really like Tom Jones. Another great spot to keep an eye on is the questions and answers section. Potential customers can ask questions here and you can answer them by strategically inserting some keywords that are relevant to your business.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard.
If you don't know what I'm talking about, watch our SEO tips and tricks video linked right here. I promise it's definitely worth your time. Hey, I hope you've learned a thing or two about how you can use your Google My Business profile to grow your business and engage with your target audience. And if you need help with your website or digital marketing assistance, be sure to contact us here at Animink. You can even get a free website audit by clicking the link in the description. Okay, hey, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like this type of content, let me know in the comments. So until next time,
Come on down to Matthew's Car Wash, where we treat you and your car all right, all right, all right.